Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about integration by parts. This topic is under Calculus 2. And this math is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here integral of y times e raised to the 3y dy. So first thing to do, I need to assume u will be y. And then derivative of y will be equal to dy. Then dv will be my second function, which is e raised to the 3y dy, and then integrating both sides. So this will be v is equals to e raised to 3y over 3. So apply the formula u minus uv minus integral of v du. So this is integration by parts. So u will be y, and then my v is e raised to the 3y over 3. Then minus integral of v du, e 3y over 3. Then du is dy. Okay, so this will be 1/3 y e to the 3y. Then minus. So first thing to this, I need to separate the constant. It should be 1 over 3. Then apply integration or copy the integration, e to the 3y dy. Okay, so this will be 1/3 y e raised to the 3y. Then this will be minus 1/3. So integral of e raised to 3y dy will be e raised to 3y over 3. Then this will be plus c. So this will be 1/3 y e raised to 3y minus 1 over 9 e raised to 3y plus c. So need to factor out the common between 1/3 and 1/9. Common will be 1/3, and then common also is e raised to the 3y. Then this will be y minus 1/3 plus c. Okay, to simplify this one, I could write this one as 1/3 e raised to 3y. This will be, LCD will be 3. This will be 3y minus 1 plus c. So this is my final answer. And that's all.